taking a video. Taking a video! That's actually kind of cool. Wow.
Food.
And now beginning a feeding frenzy.
African something or others.
The African cichlids living in a harsh community.
In the apartment.
And you know, every ocean has tubes behind it. Look at that natural rock formation. And the rubber plants that are native to the area. Isn't it beautiful? Watch them feed.
Plants.
If there wasn't enough food,
And
they'll
then
start feeding on each other. Look at their beautiful colors. That random little line right there means that it's a female. We think. But we know some fish are capable of changing from male to female so they can mate whatever's around. Can you imagine if people could do that? Oh my god.
Well, you can't exactly see if it's a girl or guy.
You can see it. Oh, whoa, I didn't even see that, but she just kind of came out. Because they've all got their own little territory. You see,
young.
the young will battle